Alright, so this is a mower that somebody gave to me. They found along the side of the road, and whenever they gave it to me, it did not run. All four tires were totally rotted out. I just put these on off of another mower that I had sitting around. Actually, I think it looks a lot better with these tires because the other ones were kind of small. These are a little bit wider. But like I said, it absolutely would not start at all. And took the carburetor off, it gave it a good thorough cleaning, changed the air filter, and